Welcome back. We are now on to division. What we're going to start out with division is the set model. I like this model again because it visualizes very well. I am a very visual learner, and I think that it just helps get the point across. So for this one, we are using 20 divided by 4. Pretty easy one, nice and simple, small, which is good for visualization purposes. All right, we're going to start out by drawing one big box, okay? Now, in this box, we are going to put the big number, okay, which is 20, and in this case is going to be red. Now, we are going to use triangles again for our stickers, all right? Now, since there are 20 triangles, we're going to want to make room for 20 spaces. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright? So in that box, it might be hard to see, we have 20 triangles. Okay? Now, our next step is to draw 4 smaller boxes. And we are drawing 4 smaller boxes because 4 is our divisor. So we are going to see how many triangles of the big number go into the small boxes that we are going to make. Okay, so we're going to make 4 small boxes. Okay, and in those 4 small boxes, we are going to draw. We're just going to make little dots for this one, okay? So we're going to make them blue because the big number is blue. And these little dots represent the triangles we have in the big box, okay? So what we're going to do is draw a dot, and we're going to cross a triangle out, okay? And we're going to complete this process going down the line. So there's 2, 3, 4. All right, and see how we ended the line? So we're going to go back to the start and continue until all the triangles are crossed out. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Start over. 9, 10, 11, 12, start over, 13, 14, 15, 16, start over, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, so there, as you can see, all of the triangles are crossed out of the big box. And now we are going to count up the number of dots in the square. And we're going to use this one because it's the best one and it's easiest to see. So we're going to count up the little dots, and that is our answer. Okay? Now we don't have to count out of each. We only count out of one because all of them should be equal because we have no remainders left over. Okay? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5.